Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Bench grinder with belt sander from Parkside, the model PSBS 240C2 for working on metal, wood and plastics. 240 watts load, no load rotation speed 2980 RPM, grinding wheel rotation 23 meters per second, sanding belt rotation speed 15 meters per second, with a 3 years warranty and accessories included. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice packaging. That is heavy. Rubber fits to stay secure at any surface. Okay. The power cord length, it is 1.5 meters. At the box we have 3 sanding belts, one pre-installed. This one it is P80 and this one P120. The spark protection, we have the workpiece support, later I will install in that, and of course included we have in the manual the on-off switch. Cover it, I like that. Protect it, no water or dust will go inside and damage the switch. The grinding wheel diameter, it is 150 millimeter. The sanding belt dimension, it is 50 millimeter by 686 millimeter. And here we have the clamping lever for the grinding belt and the adjusting screw for the belt run. So if you want to replace the belt, you need to remove these 2 screws with a screwdriver. Loosen the screws. And then you can pull the cover. There it is. Remove. And you see how it looks inside. Pull this lever. And then you can replace the sanding belt. So easy. And this one, it is P80, so we have 2 P80. And again the same process, pull the lever and install it. That was all. Release the lever and lock it. And of course, install again the cover. Cover goes between the washers. Perfect. That was all, so easy. And again, you can adjust alignment. Nice. And the same thing, if you want to replace this grinding disc, remove these 2 screws, and there is 1 screw inside, and replace it. But this one, it will take a long time to replace it. Definitely this, if you are using it more often, you will replace it sooner than this disc. Now let's install the accessories. That goes here. and you can adjust that. The same, we need to install the workpiece support. And you can adjust it further in or further out. And another support goes here. Same, you can adjust in here. Nice. That was all, so let's move on outdoors and test it. For combining a solid bench grinder with a highly functional belt sander into one compact, budget-friendly machine, this bench grinder is an excellent value. It saves precious bench space while still giving you the versatility to sharpen, debar, grind and smooth a variety of materials. It's a fantastic entry-level or secondary tool for any garage or workshop. And that wraps up our look at the Parkside bench grinder with belt sander. For a compact workshop tool, it offers solid performance, versatility and value for the price, only €30. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell to stay tuned for more tool tests, fixes and workshop tips. Let me know in the comments what you think of this unit. Thanks for watching, until next time, keep building, keep creating and stay safe in the shop.